hobbies, and welcome to my channel, girls and guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, and I can only do it with your help. So let's get into the video. We're going to start by doing some slicing. We've got the model that we downloaded from Bamboo Lab Maker World, and we're doing this one right now. This is the one that's printing on the printer that you can hear in the background, and basically it just came in like that. I changed the colors because I have this type of color filament, but this is the refrigerator part, so I hit on there and it's already sliced, okay, because it doesn't really need any supports, you see. So we're going to save that, go up to here to File, we're going to go to Export, and we're going to go to Export Slice File. I'm going to save that to the desk. And we're just going to put a number 1 in there, okay, and we're going to save that. Then we're going to go to the next file and click on it, and it slices automatically. And I'm going to go up to File, and we're going to go to Export Slice File, and we're going to put a number 2 in there. File 2, save the desktop, and we're going to go to this file, and let's go to File, Export Sliced File, and we're going to put a number 3 in there at the beginning. See right there at the beginning. Save the desktop, and then the last file are 2 I's, I believe, and we're going to go to File, Export, right there, and we left off at 3. We're going to put a 4 in there. So we have these all sliced already, so we can just go back and we go into Prepare, and we could actually go in. I could still work the files from here. I could skip this one because that's already printed and go to this one, and then go to this one and go to this one, and but what I would do is I would go to the plus sign here, the cube. Don't get confused. We're going to go to the cube, and we'll go to the desktop, and we find the files there, and they'll be marked in green color like this, so you'll easily be able to find the files to import to your work, and then slice the file. You'll go to print plate, or even send. You could use send, and those two things, print plate or send, and send the file to the printer over Wi-Fi, and that's how that's done. So this is the portion of the video that shows you the files in Bamboo Studio and gets you somewhat familiar with using it and accustomed to it. See, I have only 2 rows of filament here, and I have this pink filament in slot 1. In slot 2 I have red filament, so it's going to represent pink and red in any of the parts that I make, okay. If I wanted to change that, I'd go to red, I'd go click on that, and I could change it to a different color. See, if I want to change it to blue, you see how this changed to blue? Well, we don't want to do that. Let's go back to red. Change it back to red. And this is a purge tower right back here. Not too sure why I have 2 colors there. It could be on the back side of it that there's some pink in there, but it's basically all red. We by doing red like I just did, I got rid of the purge towers. See that? So stay tuned for assembly. That's next, and hang in there. Cap 26 here, just tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we've got this camel we're going to put together, and we slipped the shoes in here like this. Welcome, girls and guys. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. I can only do it with your help. So we've got the shoes in here like this, and these parts go in here like this. So what we have to do is we have to snap them in at the bottom here, and that feels like it cracked, and it did crack. So I have to glue it with some glue. Okay, that's if the glue cooperates, and it is not cooperating as usual. There we go. Put it like that. Hopefully that'll dry up really nicely. Yep. It's not doing what we want it to do. And put some glue in there. Like that. I have to hold it for a little bit. And this part goes here. That goes right in there like that. Okay, so I have to put a little glue here. This would be painted in another video, so it's not going to be painted in this video. I'll maybe make a short. There we go, like that. Oh, I'm hitting the camera. Sorry, guys. Little earthquake there. He's got little eyes here, which I have to take off. Little glue in there. Put his eye in there. This one I have to cut. So I gotta get the nippers here and cut this piece right off there. Okay. Put a little glue in there. Hard to tell when you put the glue on this transparent material. Yeah, see that doing the same thing, it's clogging up. It's a real pain in the butt. There we go. that. Not too sure about this piece right here. This goes on here. So I'm going to put a little glue there and there. And then stick this in here like that. Turn this upside down here. Not standing too well. Like that. And this has some glue here. Gonna go on there like that. This is gonna put some glue in there. And stick that in there. Like that. Not sure about this piece. Not sure about it at all. I'm gonna have to look at the picture and see if we can get him standing all right. Just stand him like this, like that. Let him dry. I'm gonna look for this piece right here. It's got some support material on it, but I don't know. I have no idea where it goes. Okay. So there's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like I said, I'll paint it in another video. Stay tuned for that. And please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. I can only do it with your help. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.